Can I make a Transamerica payment online? Yes, you can make a payment online for your Transamerica insurance policy. Transamerica offers a convenient and secure way to pay premiums through their website or mobile app, making it easier to manage your account and keep your coverage active. 1. How to make a payment online. Step 1. Visit the Transamerica website and log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to the Pay My Premium or Payments section. Step 3. Choose the payment method, such as credit, debit card, or bank transfer. Step 4. Enter your payment details, including the payment amount and your account information. Step 5. Review the information, then submit your payments. Second, payment methods. Transamerica accepts multiple payment methods for online payments, including credit or debit card payments for quick processing, bank account transfer or ACH payments for recurring payments, one-time payments or automatic recurring payments for your premiums. 3. Setting up automatic payments. To avoid missed payments, you can set up automatic payments through the Transamerica website. This feature ensures that your premiums are paid on time each month without having to manually enter your payment details. Fourth, mobile app payments. Transamerica also offers a mobile app where you can manage your account and make payments on the go. The app provides easy access to your billing history, payment options, and other policy details. Fifth, customer support for payments. If you encounter any issues while making a payment or need assistance, you can contact Transamerica's customer service team. They will be able to help you with the online payment process and address any questions you may have. Paying online is a quick and simple way to stay on top of your Transamerica insurance premiums, ensuring that your coverage remains active. Would you like to explore more insurance options with Transamerica today? Click on the link in the description below.